Let's turn my base from this to this, blush to this, nose to this, eyes to this, lips to this, hair to this, and look like this. Hey friends, it's Frenzy and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you my 15 minutes everyday makeup routine for school. I do this when I have a presentation or when I feel like looking put together on a certain day. First, I'm using my Say's Lady Concealer. I kind of use this as my foundation since this provides the coverage I need without feeling too heavy on my skin. As much as possible, I try to keep using one product on my base just because I don't like the feeling of heavy and sticky product on my face. As you can see, even if I'm on a rush, I'm blending the concealer carefully. This process usually takes the longest time since I want to make sure that my concealer will blend well on my skin to avoid cakey looking base. Some of you might be wondering why I have socks on my hair, and yes, you're right, this is for heatless curls that I let marinate overnight. Also, I only use sunscreen for my skin prep and I'm not using primer or anything after. Your girl is literally living in a humid country and I know that if I put too much product on my face, I would not feel good because of that sticky feeling after I get oiled up. Also, please excuse my voice because I literally have a cold right now. And forgive me my friends, I forgot to show in the clips that I'm setting this makeup on my face after I'm done with everything using my compact powder from Maybelline. It was in my school bag and I'm already running late, so I just applied it on my way to school. And after that tapping session, this is how my base looks. Next, for my blush, I'm using this Chuchu Beauty Dual Blush. What I do now is I get some products on my fingertips and I try to lay it out on my skin. This way, I feel like I can control where my blush is going to land on my skin since my brush sometimes tend to put it in some places I don't want it to be. After I'm satisfied with the amount of blush I have, I take my brush to fully blend it and avoid harsh lines. Adding colors on my lids, chin, and temples as well. And this is how it looks after. Moving on to my nose, I'm using this Shawil eyebrow powder. And I'm drinking my much needed coffee on the side. Anyways, I just use this mini brush to lay out some contour patterns on my nose. Blend it like this, doing that upward motion to diffuse the powder smoothly and make my nose look a little upturned. After that, I'm putting a small amount of concealer on my nose bridge and tip to create that lifted and highlighted effect. Also putting it on the sides of my nose to make it look slimmer. Blend it like this. Anyways, if you reach this part, please do recommend video ideas that you want to see from me. I would actually love to see some recos down there in the comment section. And it should look like this. Let's now proceed to my eyes. First, I'm using this eyelash curler to curl up my lashes. Then, I just put a thin coat on my lashes using this Pink Flash mascara. After that, I use this Vice Cosmetics Lasting Liner. I use it like this to create a clean and soft looking wing, just to extend the lines in my eye. I just use my nails to clean the edges and make the wings thinner and a bit longer. And look at that! Now, I use this shimmery pink flush blush as my highlighter to make my eyes pop and look more awake. Also putting it in my nose tip and bridge, as well as in my cheekbones. Now, lips. I'm using this Roman Juicy tint as my base. Look at that shade match. I think this is really the perfect MLBB for me. Then I top it off with this Bare and Blaze tint. I just put this in the middle to create that ombre effect. Then I carefully blend it with my fingers. Then, tada! The look is now complete. But we cannot forget the hair. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this looks. This actually turned out so well. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I just finger combed my hair and now it looks like this. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my gorgeous friends. Let me know your thoughts about this look. XOXO.